In this video, I will show you how to add internship on LinkedIn profile. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on LinkedIn. So I'm currently on my profile here. So what you're going to want to do is log into LinkedIn and come across to your profile page. Once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down a bit to the experience section. So that's just down here. Then what you need to do is go ahead and click the pencil icon just over here. From here, what you're going to want to do, you're going to see this little plus icon. You want to go ahead, give that a click, and then click onto add position. Now, what you need to do from here is in the title box, you just want to go ahead and type internship. And what's going to happen is going to come up with some suggested options. So for example, you've got like internship trainee, summer internship, marketing internship, and so on and so forth. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select internship trainee. And what you then need to do is select your employment type. So I'm going to go for full-time. Then you would put your company name into the company name box. So let's go ahead and just put test. Then what you need to do is put the location where your internship was. So I'm going to go for London, and you can put your location type as well. So whether that was on-site, remote or hybrid. So I'm going to put on-site. Then what you need to do is select whether you're currently working in that internship or if there was a start date and an end date. I'm just going to leave it selected to I'm currently working in this role. However, if you have finished your internship, you would use the start date and end date boxes to confirm the dates that you worked as the internship. So once that's done, you can come down and fill out the description of what you did in your internship just down here. So I'm just going to put test. Then you would put your profile headline, which is what appears below your name. So if you want it to be internship, then of course you would change this to internship, just like so. What you can then do is add your skills, and you can also add media like images, documents, sites, or presentations. Once that's done, just come down and click onto the blue save button just down here. And as you can see, we're going to get a confirmation saying your position has been added. So what we can now do is click onto next, and we can click onto post. Then we're just going to click save, and as you can see, it's now added the internship to our LinkedIn profile. So if we come back to our actual profile here, you can see it's now changed. It says internship underneath my name. We can scroll down, and in the experience section, you can see we have added the internship to our LinkedIn profile. So that is how to add internship on LinkedIn profile. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.